If you've ever considered foam rolling for the sake of breaking down your scar tissue or to reduce the tension of tight muscles, you are going to want to pay attention to this video, because here we're going to discuss what a foam roller does, how to use it properly, and the 3 most common mistakes you make when they foam roll. My name is Igor. I am the author of this book called Stop Exercising the Way You Are Doing It Now, and you can get a free digital copy at fitnesssolutionsplus.ca/stopexercising. So first of all, this is a foam roller. It is a long cylindrical piece of foam. They come in different densities, and what it does is primarily 2 things. One of the things it does is it breaks down scar tissue. Now, what is scar tissue? Scar tissue is what builds up when either there's an outright injury, an actual surgery, or intense exercise. And the reason that your body builds scar tissue is to reinforce the broken down muscle or the broken down tissue, so to speak, because it creates kind of like an internal cast. Now, that's good and all when we're recovering from the injury, but sometimes the scar tissue doesn't go away, and then it creates stiffness and decreases the flexibility of that muscle and predisposes you to injury. So that's one thing it does. The other thing it does is that it reduces the tone of hypertonic muscles, of tight muscles. Now, they're not physiologically tight, they are neurologically tight. So that's the 2 things that a foam roller does. And unfortunately, most people use it improperly. There are 2 proper ways to use the foam roller. Way number 1 is, I'm going to use the AT band as an example because it's so common, but you can do this all over the body. So way number 1 is you put one side of your body on top of it, and then very, very slowly, you roll down towards your knee. Notice the speed at which I'm going. It is extremely slow. It should take you somewhere between 30 seconds and 40 seconds to work your way down from the hip to the knee. At some point, you will feel 1 or more points that are particularly tender, particularly tough, and you want to hold it right there. It doesn't feel very good. It's going to hurt like 8 out of 10 on a 10 level, on a 10-point scale, but you want to hold it there, and over a period of anywhere from 30 seconds to 2 minutes, that tension decreases. That's method number 1 of using it. Method number 2 is you find that same painful point, and then you move your joint slowly back and forth over it, anywhere from 10 to 30 times until you feel tension go down. Then you keep going down, gently scanning for any additional points of tension, and repeat the process. Now again, this will not feel good, but each time you do it, it's going to get better and better, and it won't hurt as much. So those are the 2 proper ways to use a foam roller. Now let's talk about the 3 most common mistakes people make when using a foam roller. Mistake number 1, going too fast. So I told you it should take between 30 and 40 seconds. Some people go very, very quickly. People go like this. Okay? That's the wrong way to use it, because your body and your nervous system require some time to adapt to understand what's going on. That's mistake number 1. Mistake number 2 is using it before exercise. Okay? Now, the whole point of foam rolling is to induce a little bit of damage so that there's a rebound effect, and in the long term, less damage. So what it can do before exercise can actually make you weaker. So going too quickly is a mistake. Doing it before exercise is a mistake, and also doing it when you're sore is a mistake. The reason is, again, when you're sore, you're already inflamed. Deep tissue massage stimulates more inflammation, not less. So these are the 3 biggest mistakes people often make when foam rolling. Thank you very much. My name is Igor. I'm the author of this book, Stop Exercising the Way You Are Doing It Now, and you can get a free copy at fitnesssolutionsplus.ca/stopexercising. Thank you very much.